Welcome to another Sunday sit down with your boy JC. I know I'm just being silly. Anyways, thanks to everybody who showed up these last couple weeks to our Saturday trainings. We have free education webinars every Saturday, so just send me a DM. I don't make a post about it in the Facebook group every week, but I'm going to try to. And then I know I've sent emails out to my emailing list, so if you're on there and you get the email, you need to respond to the email in order to get on the guest list. Because even though they are public, they are by invite only. So every Saturday we have education webinars, and so just reach out to me if that's something that's interesting to you, because my whole goal is to help share financial knowledge to people, right? We were not taught the things that we should have learned about money in school, because school is an indoctrination system, right? We go to school, we get 2 15-minute breaks, we get a half an hour lunch. It grooms us for the 9 to 5, right? Now, that's fine if that's your MO and you're okay with being an employee, right? But there's a disruption what's it called? There's an awakening, like the Force. Oh, I'm such a nerd. Anyways, so there's the Great Resignation that's kind of happening since the pandemic and everything, and so people are trying to figure out ways to make money for themselves. How I did that is, I wrote a book. I'm actually have a second book that I'm editing right now. It's actually gone through a professional editor now. I'm just going through it and adding my own personal touches and stuff and fixing everything. And yeah, it's a lot of work. So hopefully that'll be out. No, not hopefully. It will. It will be out on November 22nd on Amazon. You'll be able to find my second book about credit repair, debt settlement, and bankruptcy preparations. Now, I know here at the Finance Mindset, we actually like to talk more about like how to leverage your current financial situation to go from where you are to where you want to be. So even though my target market isn't necessarily people that are struggling with debt or cannot get consolidation loans and have to go through credit repair, we do have people in the group that engage in credit repair. And so, we do have people from all walks of the industry in the group. So if there's ever a question you have about your personal financial situation, whether that be credit, debt, mortgages, insurance, retirement planning, the stock market, you name it, we've got somebody in the group who is an expert in that field. So by all means, the whole purpose of this group is to learn, have fun, and, share some wins. My win for this weekend was, I don't have a win for this weekend. I'm just putting in work. Take that back. I should edit this out. Let's edit that out. Shh, don't tell anybody that I didn't win. Although we actually moved a piano today. That was a lot of work. But yeah. Okay, thanks again, everybody.